Welcome back to the channel. Today let's solve this problem, longest unequal adjacent group subsequence. So before going into the problem, I recommend you to solve this problem. Try to solve this problem for at least 20 to 25 minutes. If you are able to solve this is well and good. I will be really happy. If you couldn't able to solve, then you can watch this tutorial. So first let's understand the problem statement. So first we will understand the question clearly. Then we will build the logic and we will see the high level of the coding. So first let's understand the problem statement. Here you are given an integer n, a 0 indexed string array words. Is saying that he will give an n and he will give words. And a index binary array groups. Binary array groups means it's either 0 or 1. 0 or 1. You need to select the longest subsequence from an array of indices such that for a subsequence denoted as j of 0, j of 1, j k minus 1 having length k, and groups should adjacent groups should not be equal. For each j we should calculate. We need to return the string array containing the words in the latest subsequence. If there are multiple answers, we should return any of them. So he's saying that we need to select a longest subsequence such that the group should not be equal. Suppose if you're taking this 0 0 1, you can take 0 1 or 0 1. First let's forget about words. Don't consider about words. Let's see words at the end. First we will concentrate on groups. Now he's saying that 0 1 or 0 1 or else 1 0 or 1 0. He's saying the groups should be unequal. Group should be unequal. We need to find the longest subsequence. Suppose if you have 1 0 0 1 0 1 0, you can find 1 0, then you will go to 1, then you will go to 0 1 0. In this way you can form length 1 2 3 4 5 6 length, only except 0 0 except this is not included. You have to find this, and he is saying that at this indexes we have words. At every index we need to append this words to our answer. At the group index, when they are groups which are part of our answer, we need to append to words. So I think you understood this question. If you see this 0 1, so it's taking E B, and this is 0, this is 1, so A B can also be my answer. He's saying that you can return any of them, EB or AB. Both lengths are 2, so that we can return any one of them. So we understood the question. Okay, let's see about the logic. If you understand the question, its logic is pretty easy. Mostly you will get. I recommend you to try yourself. If you have 0 1, I will say 0. I will consider. Yes, I will consider. If I am not considering 0 and I am going to 1, my answer will be affect. Definitely it's gonna be affect me, because this one, if you take this one, this definitely, this 0 will get minus, right? If you take this one, this 0 will definitely get minus. So my answer will be only 2. But if you include 0, my answer will be 3. If you see here, if you have 1 1 0 0, so I use let's ignore this one. Yes, we can ignore this one. And we can consider this, or else we can consider this one and we can ignore this one. Which is best to get the answer? We can consider this and let's ignore the next element. What I am saying is that whatever the array, whatever the groups you have, groups array, whatever the values are, you just want the opposite bits. So here dynamic programming won't work, because it does not dependent on the previous element. This is directly considering into our answer. Now if you see, if you're taking this example 0 0 1, now we have answer and t is equals to groups of 0. First we are considering this as t is equals to 0. Then answer dot push back words of 0. We are pushing a. This is t. Then we have words. We have pushed a. Then I is equals to 1, I less than I plus plus. If this is not equal, these are equal, so I am not considering. This one and this 0 are not equal, so it index to we have B, A, B, and we are returning our answer. If it is not equal, T is equals to, we are making it and we are pushing into answer and we are returning the vector. So what will be my time complexity? It would be my order of n. Space, we are taking answer array, so it will be order of n. So I hope you understood this, because if you see the logic part, you can start at anything, whether it is start position or the next position when both elements are equal, or else if both elements are not equal, you should start with the first element itself. You should start with the first. That's why this will work. So I hope you understand this solution. If you understand this solution, please do like. And after every contest, alternate Saturdays and every Sunday, I will post the solutions so you can watch it. And to get the notification early, please do subscribe. And thank you for watching.